Hi class, I am your instructor for IN for 23N, that is workshops and seminars. So by the way, if you are low on data or low internet connectivity, then you don't have to watch this video. You can just read the instructions below. So today is considered our first meeting. So in the first meeting, we will have a sort of getting to know activity. In this activity, of course, I'd like to get to know you a little much better, and also I want to solicit from you the things that you want to tackle in ID for 2-3N. Since it is workshops and seminars, that means we will be choosing from an array of topics that you would like to take on for this subject. So it can be subjects that you have not tackled before, topics that you might want to explore more, or things that will help you in your thesis or in your research. So it can be sustainable design, universal design, things that you want to learn a little bit deeper. So in this subject, it is an opportunity for us to get to do that. So what I want us to do for the rest of the semester is that I want to group you, and then each group will be assigned a topic. So I posted a link on the Google Forms. So in the Google Form, we will be voting on the topics. So the topics with the most number of votes will be the ones that we will tackle for the semester. Okay, so that is what we will be doing for today, and then I will see you next week again. So I also want you to follow the schedule at home with respect to your study load, so that it creates a habit, establishes rather discipline on your part also, and to also create a sense of normalcy somehow. Every Saturday it is workshops and seminars. So again, I'll see you next week Wednesday. So I hope you will do the activity today, so that next week we will already get to know the topics that we will be discussing for next meeting. Okay, see you. Goodbye.